Hello and welcome to episode 7, part B, the teaching resources section. And this week I'm going to be talking about Toondoo. It's a pretty cool website that lets you make comic strips. Let's go and take a look. So here's Toondoo. Alright, so let's go ahead and create a toon. It starts by giving you a layout, and you have all kinds of formats here, but I'm going to go with the traditional 3-panel cartoon. And up in the top here you have all the options for building your cartoon, and down here you have the options for editing. So I'm going to try to keep this simple. There's lots of different kinds of characters that you could select, but I'm going to stick with the bears that they have here. And in the first frame, let's have a happy mother bear and a happy father bear. We'll need some scenery, so let's go ahead here. Here's some forest scenery. And let's keep going with this theme. Here's another one, and here's another one. That looks pretty good. Now in this first image, the perspective doesn't look right to me. I want her to be a little farther away, so I'm just going to go ahead and shrink her down a bit and place her here, and place her back over here. And then for the second picture, let's see, here's an angry bear. They get a little closer, so I'm going to make them the same size. What would make her angry? Well, not too sure, but that look on his face would probably make me angry too. He probably did something wrong. And then in the last frame, let's see, she's pretty angry, so here she is running, probably chasing after him. Now here he is, but he is running in the wrong direction, so let's go ahead and use the editing tools and just flip him. And let's move him a little farther away. And then let's add some text to this. So here we go. We can just click this and drag it down here. We'll have one for her. And let's see, what does she say? She says, how about just a simple hello? And then in the second frame, what would he say that would make her so angry? Let's try, how about this one? Oops, I let Goldilocks eat our porridge again. Now this is too big, so let's go ahead and change the font size just a little bit and move it over. Nope, let's get that back in there. Move this over just a bit. There we go. And let's give her one last dialogue here, one last thing to say. Maybe she'll say, how about, let's keep it simple. How about just what? And I'll just leave it at that. So there you go. You have a little cartoon. It looks pretty good, and you can go ahead and save it. You can add a title. We'll just say, how about 2 bears? And I'm going to go ahead and unclick all these options and just keep it private. And I'll publish it. And it's done. Now I can go ahead and print this. I can go to my page. This is a new website for me. So I haven't created other cartoons with this, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this sometime in the near future. Alright, well I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you give it a try. I know I will be. I think maybe about once a year I do a lesson where students make a cartoon, and they write out a dialogue for the cartoon, and then they present it to the class. I think I'll use this tool to make my own cartoon to show my students, and I think maybe as a bonus, the students that make the best cartoons, maybe I'll recreate their cartoons using the tool. They should enjoy that. Well, that's it for this week. If you didn't watch part A, give it a watch. Otherwise, as always, stay creative, and I'll see you next week.